Hey everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox and I am back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to get your free credit report and what to do with it once you get it. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So first, by federal law, you can obtain a free credit report once a year from each of the three main credit reporting agencies, such as Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The laws also say you have the right to get the information corrected in case there are mistakes. So this is by federal law. Obtaining a free credit report is so easy, guys. I know a lot of you guys have asked me, well, how do I get my credit report? Do I have to pay money? Reviewing your report will help you actually keep an eye on your credit score and protect your identity. Let's protect our identity so that we can have a peaceful life. Request your free report regularly to ensure all the information reported on it is accurate and to catch any signs of identity theft as early as possible, guys. So this is key to making sure if there's inaccurate information on your credit report so that you won't be a victim of identity theft because it's real, okay? You right now can request your free weekly credit reports until April 2021 for Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do that right now. How to get your free report? Go to the official website, annualcreditreport.com, and order your free credit reports for all three bureaus. You can also call 1-800-77322-8228 or send a request form by mail. Okay, you can also find the address on the website at annualcreditreport.com. Once you go to annualcreditreport.com, it's going to ask you to complete a short form that includes your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. So make sure you have that on hand or make sure you know all the information when going to this website because that will be the first thing that they ask you. You might also have to provide a previous address if you recently moved. So just make sure you can remember the previous address if you have moved in like the past year or two. You must verify your identity first. So you're going to need to answer questions related to your finances that no other person should have, such as a name of a previous employer, the name of a credit card company you've used, or the amount of a mortgage, or sometimes they ask you for student loans if you have a student loan. Sometimes they ask you if you have an auto loan and what is the auto loan name. So make sure you know this information already. If you don't, it will time you out and then you have to wait another week to get the free credit report. So make sure you have everything that could be possibly on your credit report that you currently have open so that you can get your free credit report because they are not playing when going to this website. Sometimes you may take a long time trying to figure out the information and then you kind of miss out of getting the free credit report because now it's timed out. So you don't want to miss that. This process will take longer if you have trouble with their identity verification questions because they still need to verify your identity to their satisfaction. So again, just make sure you try your best and answer the identity verification questions truthfully, but make sure they're correct as well so that you can get your free credit reports quickly. Once you pass the verification process, it's going to prompt you to go to get your free credit report for Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Make sure you guys save those credit reports in a safe place. I suggest a hard drive, a flash drive, send it to a secured email, have it on a secure folder on your computer. Just make sure you have that credit report because you're going to need to look back at it while you're trying to check your report. So once you have your report, do this, okay? Check your reports. Take the time to go over your credit reports to look for inaccuracies. Make sure that you take your time line by line and make sure that everything is correct. I am working on a video to basically how to check for inaccuracies. That will be coming soon, but just make sure if you see some inaccuracies, make sure you highlight that. Then you want to go ahead and request the correction. So this is DIY credit repair by yourself. Request the corrections. If some information is missing or incorrect, contact in writing the reporting agency that they made a mistake and ask them to correct it. Okay, there are a lot of credit repair letters, 609 letters, disputing tactics. I have ebooks on some of those, so you make sure you can get those as well. You should also contact the information provider if they originally made the mistake. So this could be like a utility company if you have a collection. This could be like a utility company if you had a PG&E bill and they went into collections or charge-offs. Utility companies don't report to your credit, but when you not paying the bill and it goes into negative, then it gets reported, unfortunately, as a negative item. It could be a credit card company. Sometimes credit card companies report different limits, different time you paid, a lot of things. They report inaccurate information all the time. It could be an employer. Sometimes employer report inaccurate information, such as your name can be misspelled, your address could be wrong, so make sure that that is correct. Even the employer name could be misspelled or different from where you work, so just make sure that you have that information corrected. Or other creditors such as your creditor, your bank, a collection, a charge off, an auto loan, a mortgage, whatever you have on your credit, just make sure that everything is correct and it has all of the correct details what you agreed to. You can also use 609 letters, disputing tactics, and DIY credit repair to correct the inaccurate and negative item. Then once you do all that, you want to go ahead and get a corrected free report, right? So once you corrected everything, you want to make sure that it got corrected. So this may take 3 to 4 months to get everything back to you. And then once you did all that hard work, that hard grind and getting everything corrected, you see your score going up, you see things falling off. You want to make sure you get that corrected free report at annualcreditreport.com. You receive another free report once it's been corrected, right? You can obtain additional copies for a small fee if getting a credit report once a year is not enough for you, but that is after April 2021. So remember, April 2021 is a deadline where you can get your credit report for free every week. Get on it today. April 2021, you can get a free credit report every week just to make sure things are intact. There is a small fee after April 2021 if getting your credit report once a year is not enough for you or your needs. Or order your 3 reports at different times throughout the year is also a good hack. The credit bureau website are Equifax.com, Experian.com, and TransUnion.com. You can also pull your credit reports there as well. You can get your credit reports from Experian.com, and you can get all of your credit reports from Experian.com. Experian.com actually has Equifax and TransUnionReport.com. So for $29.99, I think. But you can also get a free trial and cancel the trial, of course, after you get all your free credit reports. But that's the hack if you made it to this end of the video. Or just order one from each company every 4 months where you can get your credit report every quarter, which is usually recommended. So helpful tips. You should be able to access your free credit report right away online with the instructions that I mentioned in this video. It usually takes 2 weeks to receive your report if you ordered over the phone or by mail. So it is up to you if you want to do it online or if you want to do it by mail or by phone. Again, take advantage of these free benefits, guys, right now. Remember, you can get free weekly credit reports until April 2021, which is coming up soon. Stay on top of your credit score and safe from the identity thieves. And how you do that is making sure you stay on top of your credit report. You pull your credit report several times out the year. The way you check your social media is the way you should be checking your credit report. It is no joke. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry, hurry. Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on OnlyFans, where we discuss tips and hacks that we can't post on YouTube at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at designer soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.